Hey, Brian from Garage Wall. Today I have a new multi-tool. It's an 18-in-1 multi-tool by Pohaku. And let's open the box up and see everything that we get inside here. So, alright, so this is the directions that you get. It's like right on top, it might be below, but it shows you everything that it does. And then let's get right into the night. Oh, hang on a sec. Some stuff here at the bottom. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it's got some like gift labels on here that they included. Best dad ever, best boyfriend ever, best man ever, and then like kind of like a generic, present label. So that's pretty neat. So it has the sheath, Velcro, and then it has the your belt loop on the back. So that's pretty good. So let's open the tool up. Before we get to it, these are the bits. So they're pretty cool. You got a variety of different bits on there. You got like your Phillips head, you got your flat head, and then you got a couple Allen heads in there. So that's cool. And it fits right inside the sheath, which is good. Because I've seen some other brands where like they don't fit inside the sheath, and then like, what do you do with them? But anyway, this fits inside the sheath, so that's cool. So that is your tool. Pretty cool. And it's got a blade assist nub on it, which I always love to have because that makes the thing so much easier to open. So you get that, and it has that kind of like that arrowhead type blade on it. It has a serration, and then it has a serrated blade, and then oh yeah, so that comes like nice and sharp right from the factory. So let's close that, and then it says it's got a pair. Oh, cool. It's got a pair of pliers. So it looks like this is the handle, and you flip the handle up and out, and then and it's spring loaded. How about that? All right, so that is your spring loaded plier, and that feels nice and sturdy. Like usually some other brands you see that it's kind of flimsy, but this is nice and solid. And it has like the wire cutter blade in there, so you can cut some wires with that. But that's actually a really cool and comfortable design that they added on there. All right, so that's pretty neat. So on the back, let's see what we got here. So you have your you have a beefier Phillips screwdriver, and I like the fact that you can really grip down on something if you needed to. So you get your a larger flathead and your bottle opener blade, and then you get your can opener and a thinner flathead. So that's pretty cool. I mean, this thing is just packed with stuff on there. I love this design of the plier. That is like so cool. Let me try to get everything open so you can kind of see presentation wise. So I mean that is a pretty neat knife overall. I mean, it's multi-tool knife. I call them knives, but they're multi-tools. But that is pretty awesome, everything that you get in there. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. I just found my new multi-tool and that is a locking Phillips head. That is fantastic because when you're torquing your Phillips heads out, they get all sorts of they just don't lock. This one's a locking Phillips head, so that is like really neat, and it's a good solid lock on there. But anyhow, let's push that to the side. And anyway, Brian from Garage Hall. Thanks for watching, and that is like your new 18-in-1 multi-tool from Pohaku. Anyway, be safe out there.